If you're looking for a fun and unique experience in the Bay Area, you must try this custom jewelry workshop at Silverwork Studios. There's so many kinds of jewelry you can make, and today I decided on a ring. I started by picking a stone, and seriously, you guys, they're all so beautiful I wanted to pick them all. Then I chose a setting and a ring band. The ladies on staff were so lovely, they walked me through every step of the way, and what's even more amazing is that they're women owned and operated. They even showed me how to add a custom stamp, and I'm screaming it's so cute. Next, I sanded the band down and melted the metal to fuse it together. I popped the stone in, and there you have it. It does not matter if you're a complete beginner, I had control over every aspect of the design, and I got to walk away with a piece that felt so unique and like truly my own creation. It was so satisfying, and it allowed me to really tap into my inner artist all the while learning a new skill. Not only can you make custom pieces, but you can also make permanent jewelry. And to finish it all off, you get to take your new piece home in a 100% sustainable box. If you're looking for a unique date night or something fun to do with friends, head on over to silverworkstudios.com to book a workshop.